Welcome the our channel. Today we how to configure Intercom for customer engagement, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Intercom account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section located in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. In the settings menu, select product tours to start setting up your customer engagement strategy. Click on the create new tour button to initiate a new product tour. Choose a suitable name for your tour that clearly reflects its purpose. Select the target audience for your tour to ensure it reaches the right customers. Next, choose the starting point for your tour by selecting an element on your website or app. Customize the first message that users will see when they start the tour. Ensure your message is engaging and provides clear value to encourage users to continue. Add additional steps to your tour by clicking the Add Step button. For each step, customize the message and set the display duration according to your needs. Incorporate interactive elements such as buttons or links to promote further engagement. Utilize the Preview Tour feature to see how it will appear to users. Make any necessary adjustments based on your preview. Once satisfied, click Publish to make your tour live. Next, navigate to the Messages section to set up live chat. Click on Custom Bots to create automated interactions with customers. Design your bot flows by choosing triggers and responses that guide users along their journey. Test your custom bot to ensure it operates smoothly and meets user expectations. After testing, implement your bots by setting them to active. Now, go to Help Center in the Settings menu to create helpful resources. Add articles and FAQs that address common customer concerns. Ensure your Help Center is easy to navigate and search-friendly. You may also want to configure your email settings under outbound messages for proactive communication. Design email templates that are visually appealing and aligned with your branding. Schedule email campaigns to engage customers at strategic intervals. Finally, monitor your customer engagement metrics in the Reports section. Use the insights gained to continuously refine your Intercom configurations for optimal engagement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.